Welcome back. Now you do have promotional tools available to you through your channel. And so to access them, what you're going to do is when you're logged into your YouTube account, you're going to go to this left side menu. You're going to click this link that says My Channel. When you get to that area, you're going to notice a couple of things. The first thing you're going to notice is that you're going to have some artwork that you can alter. So what you're going to do is go to the right side and you're going to see this pencil and you're going to click on it. You're going to click this link that says Edit Channel Art. Now basically then you have a recommended channel art size. So this is something that if you want to have created on Fiverr or some other site, you can do that, or if you already know how to create your own graphics, you can have one created, but you definitely do want to have it at this size. Now for the sake of this video, we're just going to select a random photo. Once you have your image in, YouTube will show you what it looked like generally on anyone's desktop, on their television, or on their mobile device. You can click this link that says Adjust the Crop so that you'll be able to see how you can structure the view. You'll then have an image on your channel. Now one thing you can do is you can have your image created with a call to action on the actual image. Another thing you can do is you can change your profile. So what we can do here is we can click this pencil. And YouTube is reminding us that when we change this image, it's going to be connected to our entire brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Edit. And we're going to find the photo that we want to use. Once we have our photo, we'll then click Done. We can then return to our channel. You will see then that your profile has then updated. So you've now done the graphical element of customizing your channel. In the next video, we'll look at the other customization elements for your channel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.